If you need better access to your 2019 or newer Crew Cab, Sierra, or Silverado 1500 at an affordable price point, these Red Rock 6-inch oval straight end side step bars in black will be a great mod for your build. Now this set of steps will be perfect for the truck owner who's looking for a solution to better access for the cab. Very helpful if you have a lift or a leveling kit on your truck or passengers or kids on the shorter side. Now in addition to easier entry, this set will also double as some lighter duty protection if you also want to cover your rocker area just with a sleek and more affordable solution compared to a super heavy duty option if you're not doing any serious off-roading with your truck and mainly sticking to the street. Taking a closer look at the design here, this will be one of the larger choices with a large 6-inch space to plant your foot, giving you and your passengers some more support when getting in and out of the truck. Now that stepping pad will also have a treaded surface on top to add some insurance so your wet or muddy shoes aren't going to be slipping around. Now the wide oval shape will also help with keeping the rocker area more protected from debris kicking up or any smaller obstacles compared to more narrow options or simply no steps at all, and the straight ends will give that running board style appearance if you prefer straight ends over other rounded looks. These are made of a heavy-duty tubular steel construction. They are going to be on the lighter weight side for steel, and they're also going to be durable to handle any street and light off-road driving. Now, protecting the steel on top is a gloss black powder coat, making sure that these aren't going to rust over time, and it will also add a sleeker appearance to the side, matching very well with other black accents. This kit will also come with sturdy powder-coated steel brackets, 4 per side for strong support, and all the hardware needed for a straightforward install. This set is going to be fairly average in price, around $425. Now while these will take a more no-fuss approach to the styling and the function, not being over the top with the build or the design like heavy-duty or drop step choices, these are also still going to have the one-up on entry-level options with the very big design. Now I think that this set offers a really good balance between the two sides of the spectrum, being great if you do want a larger step, whether it's for the looks or the usefulness of the step, but if you don't need a super heavy duty or fancy option, you just want something simple that's going to complement the side of your truck and also lightly protective, then this is going to be a great addition for you. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and take you about 2 hours to get the job done with some fairly basic hand tools. However, at this point we can head over to our shop and check out a detailed breakdown on how you can get these onto your Sierra or Silverado at home. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
For this install, you will need a ratchet and a 13mm socket. What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing some side steps on our Sierra, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we've got our truck up in the air. Now you definitely don't have to have it in the air to do this install. It's just much easier for us to show you while it's in the air. So what we're going to do is come to the inside of our body here. And we're going to have 4 of these mounting points. They're going to be pre-drilled threaded holes in your body. We're going to go ahead and mount our brackets to those. So we're going to grab 2 of our provided 13mm bolts, lock washers and flat washers for each bracket. We'll go ahead and line these up and get those bolts installed. Get this lined up, get our bolts in. Once we have these started, we'll go ahead and grab our 13mm socket on our ratchet and tighten these down. And you want to start with the bottom bolt that's going to push your bracket up level to your body. Then we'll go ahead and do the same thing for the other 3 brackets on this side. So now we can go ahead and get our steps installed, and the way you tell the front from the back is the front step is going to be a little bit farther back than the rear step from the edge. So we've got our correct one for our passenger side here. We'll go ahead and get it lined up with our brackets and then install our 13mm combo bolts. That'll be 2 for each bracket. Now we'll go ahead and get our hardware installed. Now you want to get all of these loosely installed before you tighten anything down, just to make sure everything lines up. So now that we have all of our hardware loosely in place, we'll go ahead and again grab our 13mm socket on our ratchet and tighten all of them down. I like to start from the middle, just kind of pulls everything down evenly. Now once you have everything installed for this side, you can go ahead and repeat this same process for the other side.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the Red Rock 6-inch oval straight end side step bars in black, fitting all 2019 or newer Crew Cab, Sierra, or Silverado 1500s. And you can find these right here at AmericanTrucks.com.